How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So open up your Instagram, and then once you open it up, head over to your profile in the bottom right. And after your profile opens up, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines at the top, and then your settings and activity opens up. Now from here, scroll down and go over to this section of your app and media, where you'll be finding option called accessibility and translations. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will be finding three options. Select the option called dark mode, and there, if you have dark mode turned on like this, all you gotta do is simply turn it off by tapping on this off option, and you should be finding the changes. So if your system default has dark mode, it will automatically adapt to dark mode, and if it has light mode, it will automatically adapt to light mode if you select the system default option. So for now, if you want to turn it off, you may tap on this turn off option, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.